When I hear the birds squawking, it can only mean one thing. My neighbor's cat. Now they're kind of quieted down. But boy, the mockingbirds, they're all making a racket. So anyway, that's my alarm. This cat just comes over. He just wants attention. I used to feed him a little bit, but I realized after a while that he wasn't that interested in the food, although he's looking at the refrigerator. Mainly, he just wants some attention. I don't know if he kills birds, but they don't like him. Boy, they sure don't like Monty. I don't know where he is now. There he is. Come on, Monty. Let's go home. Come on. Come on, let's go. Come on. Come on, leave him alone. Let's go.